Yeah, you want to make money online. What you're looking at right now is the money that I make every day, every week, every month, every year. Been doing it for the past 15 years or so. I don't know, something like that. A long time. Now, before we get into it, I want to let you know I'm going to hand you my exact business, the business that makes me this money. And you will be able to do this. But before we get there, I want to explain what this video is. This video is going back to the videos I used to make a long time ago. I called it Conversations with Friends, where I just turn on the camera and I have a conversation with you as if you were my buddy and we were sitting down to lunch. And you just asked me, what did I do to make all of the money that I have? Because I actually had this conversation with a friend of mine. This actually happened, and that inspired me to make these conversational type videos. No hype, no fluff, no special effects, no sound effects, none of that BS. Just a real conversation that I hope will help put you on track to your independence. So now, having said that, let's get into it. I want to tell you this. Don't do the side hustle thing, right? You're on YouTube and a million side hustle videos pop up. Here's why you don't want to do that. You see a side hustle video and it sounds interesting to you, it kind of resonates with you, and you think, let me try that. That sounds like it'll make me good money. Let me try it. You try it, you invest your time, your energy, maybe some money into it. And if you're really lucky, you make a few bucks off of it for maybe a month, and then it fizzles out. And then you go back on YouTube and you do it all over again. You look for side hustles and you find another one and another one. It's like a dog chasing his tail. That's not what you want. You want a real business, a real sustainable, scalable business that can change your life. And when I say it can change your life, I'm speaking from experience because that's exactly what happened to me. I used to be a stupid truck driver. I was exchanging my time for money because I thought that's what you had to do. And then I changed my mindset. I learned that the only way to become wealthy is to be able to make money while you sleep, while you vacation, while you're golfing, while you're doing a million other things other than working. So all of these side hustle things, they're usually service businesses like making logos and selling logos on Fiverr or some bogus nonsense like that. That is exchanging your time for money. You will be chained to a computer and you will only get paid based on the amount of hours that you put in on a computer. It's no different than any other job, which stands for just over broke. You don't want a job. You want a business, something that can really, really change your life script. So having said that, like I said in the beginning of this video, I am willing to hand you my exact business. Now, this is something that is different from most other guys on here because you'll see a lot of people on YouTube talk about how to make money online, and they'll tell you how you can make money online, but it's not how they're making money. You have to look at what they do, not listen to what they say. Big difference, right? So if somebody tells you to go make logos on it, it's not what they're doing to make money, right? I am going to give you my exact business, the exact business that changed my life, made me wealthy. I do not work for anyone. I get up when I want to. I don't own an alarm clock. I bought my house with cash. I bought my car with cash. I take at least one vacation a month, every month. I live the life that I want to live. I don't have a boss over my shoulder telling me how many hours I got to put in. I got to work overtime. Get out of here with that. That's BS. Nobody needs to do that in this day and age. You do not need to be a wage slave. You do not need to be just another battery in the matrix. You need to get out of that mentality. So again, I will hand you my exact business model. I will give you this business and I will do 98% of the work for you. Can't ask for much more than that. Oh, yes, you can. I will give you my personal phone number where I will coach you for free. I will give you free one-on-one coaching. Go ask any other online income guru to do that and see what they tell you. They'll tell you, oh, I'll give you one-on-one coaching for 10 grand, right? And for me, it would be worth 10 grand to get one-on-one coaching from me because I did it, right? I'm not just talking the talk, I walked the walk. So this is what you need to do. If anything I said resonates with you on even a little bit of a level, you need to go to my website, thekinghumanelite.com, and check it out. If what you see there appeals to you, sign up now, because in the future, the price is going to go up. Now, once you get there, you can enter a promo code SUPERDEAL10, all caps, SUPERDEAL and the number 10, SUPERDEAL10. You'll get even better discount, but that's only going to be for a little while. Oh, burp. So I advise you to take advantage of it while you can. And that's why I'm making this video, because do it now or cry later. Now, let me address this hurdle that is in front of you, going to the website, thekinghumanelite.com, if that's too much for you to do. If you are looking at this video and you're saying, well, I'm not going to go to that website, you know, investing 3 minutes of your time is too much to ask for you to click on a link below. Then give up all of your business desires right now. All of your ambitions, just throw them out the garbage, because you do not have what it takes to be a success. You do not have, if 3 minutes of your time looking at a presentation, 3-minute presentation is too much, go back to flipping hamburgers. Go back to sweeping floors or doing whatever the hell you do for a living, because that's what you're going to do for the rest of your life. Now, if that sounds harsh to you, too bad. I am a plain speaker, and I'm going to tell you things as they are. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. So if you can't take that inconvenient truth, if you can't take that inconvenient truth, then go away. I don't care. Your becoming one of my students is not going to change my lifestyle even a little bit. I'm not begging you to become one of my students. In fact, I want to make it difficult, because if I'm going to give you one-on-one coaching, I want to make sure you're the kind of person that deserves it. I do not want to waste my time. I do not want to waste your time unless you are ready to change your life. Does that make sense? Because free one-on-one coaching does not come by every day. Free one-on-one coaching from an online millionaire. Good luck. Go try and find that somewhere else. All right, that's it. That's all I got to say. TheKingHumanElite.com. Do it, don't do it. I don't care. It's your life. You live it.